Welcome, my friend. Today you will learn English through one of the most powerful and beautiful ideas in life, the power of staying silent. This is not just about the absence of sound, it is about a deeper silence, the silence that lives in the heart, the silence that watches, that waits, and that transforms. In a world where people are always rushing to speak, where noise fills every room, where voices compete for space and attention, silence has become rare. And because it is rare, it has become powerful. Today's story is not about a man or a woman. It is not about a king or a soldier or a teacher. It is about silence itself, what it teaches us, what it hides, and what it changes. Once, long ago, there was a land where people loved to speak. From morning until night, their voices filled the air like birds in the sky. Markets echoed with shouting, streets vibrated with arguments, and homes were filled with endless chatter. Everyone had something to say, and everyone wanted to be heard. They believed that if your voice was louder, your truth was stronger. If you spoke more, you were smarter. If you won the argument, you had won the truth. But not far from this noisy land, there was a valley, a quiet valley. In this valley, things were different. People there did not speak unless they had to. They listened more than they talked. And when they did speak, their words were soft, slow, and meaningful. The people of the noisy land laughed at the valley. They said, "Those people are silent because they are weak. They are quiet because they have nothing to say." But they were wrong. The people of the valley were not quiet because of fear. They were quiet because of wisdom. In the noisy land, fights were common. Neighbors became enemies. Families broke apart. Arguments started over small things and grew into big ones. Everyone wanted to talk, but no one wanted to understand. They spoke fast. They reacted fast. They judged fast. But the people of the valley, they waited. They listened. They thought. They understood. One day, a great problem appeared in the noisy land. It was a question, a decision that needed to be made, a decision that would affect the lives of everyone. The leaders of the land called a council. They gathered the loudest voices, the strongest opinions, and the most powerful speakers. They talked and talked. They debated for days, but no solution was found. Every voice tried to rise above the others. Every sentence began before the last one ended. There was no space to think, no space to breathe, no space for truth. Finally, tired and defeated, one of the elders in the council stood up and said, "Let us do something different. Let us invite the silent ones from the valley. Maybe they see what we cannot see." The others laughed. "What can they say that we have not already said?" they asked. But with no answer and no progress, they agreed. A message was sent to the valley. Days later, the silent ones arrived. They entered the council room, bowed with respect, and sat down quietly. They listened. While the others spoke, they remained still, their eyes calm, their hands relaxed, their silence unshakable. After hours of noise, the room grew quiet. One of the silent ones stood up. She spoke. Only one sentence, just 10 words. But those 10 words hit the air like lightning in a dark sky. The entire room fell into stillness. No one interrupted. No one argued. No one laughed. Because in those 10 words was truth. Pure truth. The kind that cannot be argued. The kind that feels like a mirror. The kind that wakes up the soul. The council had found the answer, and they had found it. In silence. This, my friend, is what silence can do. It does not shout. It does not fight. It does not demand. But when it finally speaks, the world listens. Because silence is not empty. It is full. Full of answers. Full of wisdom. Full of clarity. When you are silent, you can hear more. Not just the words people say, but the meaning behind those words. You begin to hear the fear in someone's anger, the sadness behind someone's smile, the truth behind someone's silence. There is power in not responding right away. There is strength in listening before speaking. There is wisdom in waiting. In a world that values fast answers, fast reactions, and fast opinions, silence teaches patience. Silence teaches presence. Silence teaches truth. Many people believe that to be powerful, you must speak. But sometimes the most powerful person in the room is the one who says nothing. Think of nature. Think of the mountain. It stands tall and proud, without a word. Think of the ocean, deep, mysterious, and silent. Think of the stars, shining without sound. The most powerful forces in the universe do not make noise. They do not need to. Their presence is enough. You too can be like that. You don't always need to reply. You don't always need to explain. You don't always need to prove. Sometimes silence says it all. There is an old saying, speak only if your words are more beautiful than silence. But most people speak not because they have something beautiful to say, but because they are afraid of silence. They are afraid of being alone with their own thoughts, afraid of what they might feel if they stopped talking. But silence is not your enemy. It is your teacher. It is your mirror. It is your guide. In moments of conflict, stay silent. Let the other speak. Let their anger flow, and when they are done, let your silence answer. It will shake them more than words ever could. In moments of confusion, stay silent, the answer will come. In moments of sorrow, stay silent. Healing does not need noise. It needs space, and silence is space. There is another kind of silence, the silence between people. Sometimes when someone you love is hurting, you do not need to say anything. Just sit beside them. Hold their hand. Breathe with them. That silence, that presence speaks louder than any advice. It says, I am here. It says, you are not alone. And sometimes that is all a heart needs. There is silence in music, the pause between the notes. That pause makes the melody beautiful. There is silence in art, the empty space around the colors. That space gives the image its shape. There is silence in language, the breath between words. That breath gives the sentence its meaning. Without silence, there is no rhythm, no balance, no life. You, my friend, can begin today. Begin with 1 minute. Sit in silence. Listen. Feel. Do not check your phone. Do not plan your next move. Just sit. At first, it will feel strange. Then it will feel peaceful. Then it will feel powerful. That is when you begin to understand. That is when silence starts to speak to you. And what it says will stay with you forever. Remember this. You are not measured by how much you say. You are measured by how much you understand. And understanding begins in silence. The world does not need more noise. It needs more clarity. It needs more peace. It needs more stillness. Be the one who brings that. Be the one who listens. Be the one who stays calm in the storm. Be the one whose silence inspires change. Thank you, my friend. Today, you did not just learn English. You learned a truth that can change your life. A truth that will make you stronger, wiser, and more peaceful. In a world full of noise, be the silence that speaks. Be the silence that heals. Be the silence that leads.